Alright, hello everybody. I'm having a bit of a problem with my XYZ Carve CNC router. I replaced the X-axis belt just yesterday. I was running the machine today a couple of hours just fine. But then I ran into a bit of problem. The X carriage started to seize up after a couple of centimeters like this. It's now there's no power on this machine right now, so I can move this. It moves a little bit, but then it seizes like that. It's quite easy to move, but it seizes up. Sometimes it seizes when I go that direction too, but most of the time it goes just seizes up there. It's not really about the carriage either, because if I unhook the belts like I'm doing right now, hang on just a moment, and the other side too. Oh, sorry about that. Like that and there. The carriage actually moves quite freely with the belt unhooked. So what's happening? Is the stepper motor somehow damaged or what? Or well, answers, replies helps. Help and tips appreciated. Thank you for watching. Bye.